Okay, guys, he's helping me with the laundry. A little messy back here. I'm cleaning in my laundry room. Yesterday we had the moving laundry, the moving wash machine.
That's because you didn't load it evenly.
This was the first time it really was like moved out there. Hey, there's my lammy. If you see my lammy, I've been freezing cold. Go see my video on my lammy.
The thing you need to...
We'll talk about the moving wash machine.
You didn't have it the load level, and it just vibrated over.
So it was like shaking across.
But then again, I have trouble bending and getting it out of the dryer, and she has trouble leaning and getting it out of the washer. So
well, my wrist, I broke both my wrists.
I wash it and throw it in the dryer, and she takes the dry stuff out and folds it. So it kind of works out for the both of us.
And don't mind Clay's turkey, because he woke up this morning and he was so tired. And I said, just go back to sleep. Don't worry. Was that the...
That was a dryer ball.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
I can get it.
So, So some days, like at our house, I do what I can. But some days get crazy. So he's putting it in the dryer and then I'll fold it. And like he just said, right? I digress. So see how we like to show videos of real life and things that people do and happen in life, because some of you guys might not know, especially if you're younger, that the laundry will run through the house if you don't level it right. You gotta empty your lint out each time or you'll have what?
A dryer fire.
So always do that.
Always clean your lint trap. I gotta get the dust off.
So now he's gonna start yeah, I've got to clean that. This is one of those rooms that it's like you get doing dishes, laundry, and things, and leave for a few days, and you're like, oh, gotta get that laundry room, which is forever. I'm emptying out the pantries and moving things around, so those doors have been open on and off for a while. So anyway, so he's gonna start the laundry, and he'll start it, I'll end it, and when you're older, or even when you're younger, help each other where you can. Because it makes life sweeter. Like my grandma used to say, many hands make light work. And when you get a laundry basket, get one that has holes, you know, like that. Because if you have to put something wet in, or somebody throws something wet in.
It also keeps it aerated so you don't have all your clothes stinking.
And if you get, like, say
by the time you do get to the laundry.
If you get something soaking wet, lay it over the side so it dries out a little bit, so it's not making everything all wet. But you guys might have some tips for laundry, and we have all the laundry stuff. He puts in laundry soap and softener, and then we put a dryer sheet into the dryer and all that. Here he goes. He's doing the laundry. Oh, that laundry thing looked like it was on the bottom of the floor somewhere. It looked dirty.
What's that?
I'll wash it off.
What?
It wasn't, it was lint, I think,
Oh,
got
lint
on it.
on the bottom
Lint got on it.
Yeah.
So, you'll go through and enjoy our lives with us, right? So Clay's doing the laundry. See, there he goes. Got those little nice dryer balls. You know, when did you get those dryer balls?
Years ago.
You got them
Downy balls is what they are.
Before Ruthie.
Dryer. Fluid there. Liquid.
So excuse Clay's turkey on the back of his head. That's a turkey when your hair sticks up. What did you guys call it? Turkey?
Cowlicks.
Cowlick. So excuse that. Don't worry. But he fell back to sleep.
I haven't put a comb through my hair yet. So.
He fell back to sleep. Okay.
Alright, I guess I'm set for now.
Okay, guys. So remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.